उसने पीस बराबर डाला ना सब। ध्यान किसे ने भाई?
अबे 2 बैग पकड़ के लेके आ रहा हूँ घर के। नाम का पावर लिफ्ट रिजॉइंट यूसी आपको विटामिन डी चाहिए तो ठीक लीजिए। रोब जाली में तार
मेरी हाथ जाएगी।
अरे किसको कॉल आ रहा है? ये कौन है? ये तो वो है। कूली मंगता क्या? कूली मंगता क्या?
सिमरन में आया।
तो गाइस लास्ट ट्रेनिंग डे हो गया ख़त्म। मेरा प्रोटीन इंटेक पूरा दिन का बाकी है। आज नींद हुई 1 घंटा बिकॉज कोई तो ट्रेन में स्नोर कर रहा था एंड वो कोई गाली दे रहा था और वो कोई हम लोग ग्रुप से था। उसकी वजह से नींद नहीं आई एंड मेरी ट्रेन में यूजली नींद नहीं आती। तभी ट्रेनिंग अच्छी गई कंसिडरिंग आई ओनली स्लेप्ट 1 आवर। कंपटीशन में ऐसा होता रहता है कि कभी जो चाहते हैं वो होता नहीं है, बट स्टिल इट्स वेरी गुड कि आई वाज एबल टू डू ट्रेनिंग एट दैट आरपी। प्रोटीन इंटेक ख़त्म करना अपने को। मैं शेकर धो रहा बस, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट। शेकर धो, प्रोटीन इंटेक ख़त्म करो। तो गाइस अभी बहुत लेट हो गए हैं। कॉन्वर्सेशन हम लोग का लंबा चलेगा बट हम लोग को ये रखना है फ्रेश। हम लोग को कल सुबह उठना है, गणेश के काम पे हम लोग को स्लीप पूरी करनी है। विल ऑल्सो हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। तो कल मिलते हैं।
Next shooter is Nitin from Rajasthan, followed by Dhruv Raj away from Madhya Pradesh. 3 white lights. Spotters Notiba Sewe for Nitin from Rajasthan. Quick out of the bottom. Let's wait for the referees on this one. It is 2-1 to the left.
誰が何をとも止められやしないから焦るように駆け出して君が大好き向かう今の日々へ国籍指さす上サバナ帰ろうサバナ一人じゃないよサバナ美しい世界はサバナ
Move well. Ladies and referee, 3 white lights to go there.
Spotters Notiba.
National record. For a national record. Now we look at 240. Come on, let's make some noise. And just not quite there today.
जिप दिखा अभी इसका फोटो
115 kilos of bar is loaded.
That is Ravi Kumar, followed by Anurag Das.
Three white lights, so just the right a little bit on the way up. And he gets good swing up the chest, but he couldn't convert. Coming to round 3. It looks good. What the referees say it is 3 white lights. It's a good left and one way to finish the bench press session.
ये मेरा कैरेक्टर है
मेरा
कैरेक्टर इधर है ये मेरा कैरेक्टर है नहीं तो ये है नहीं ये भी है मैचिंग मैचिंग
220 kilos. And 3 white lights, it's a good lift. Come on everyone, let's get down, let's make some noise for these guys, come on. I want to hear it. That was terrible. That was actually sad. Come on, let's try again, let's make some noise, come on. There you go, and look at the difference it makes. 2.5 kilos, 3 white lights. That is from you guys. Come on, let's move 5 kilos.
色を捨てに飛び立つ鼓動が僕を指さす命張ってるまで
Well, he's going to the top. I'm not sure what the referee's going to say. 3 red lines at the moment.
Here, Schmundel found him with his strength.
And the Lord, please, Victor, is big forward, please.
Aniket Kamble from Grind Gear. He is competing as well, but before that, I just want to ask him a couple of questions because we've been following each other on Instagram for a while, quite a while now, and we reached out to Grind Gear just to be a part of this event. But what is powerlifting to you? Why did you decide to be a part of this amazing event?
First of all, I really wanted to become a part of any national event, but the special thing about this national event is the organization is like top notch, like Asia world level organization. That's what I like about this event, and that's why I thought let's become a part of this event and let's sponsor the athletes which are competing and let's give a cash amount,
Yes.
which is very needed in the powerlifting event right now. If I start it, someone will also come and start doing the same thing. That was my thinking behind it, because
yes.
that's how I started the powerlifting brand. First one to create a powerlifting brand, then people came, then they made something better out of it.
Yes.
So I just want to do, I want to be the first mover, something like that, to create more awareness about powerlifting.
Even during the inauguration, in my speech, I mentioned that, yeah, if today someone starts, right, tomorrow someone might get inspired.
Yes.
Someone who is more powerful in the sense of doing more for powerlifters, and that will inspire powerlifters to take the sport seriously.
One more thing, I started powerlifting while seeing his videos, very old videos. I remember 2014, 2013. He used to post indiabodybuilding.com.
Indian bodybuilding.
Yes. So I used to see those videos, and at that time I believe you started powerlifting a bit.
I I tried and
Yes.
I failed. That's what I was asking him about my bench. I had a terrible bench and
But I saw him, I saw the motivation behind it. Then I started powerlifting properly. Then I try to lift more, and that's how my numbers climb up.
yeah. So for your personal question for you.
Yes.
What are your expectations from your event? You are in the 106 kg.
105.
105 kg category. So he has some big numbers. Watching on Instagram all the time. But what are your goals? If you want to keep it a secret, no problem.
I don't know, my coach knows.
Oh, okay. The coach knows. So thank you again for the support.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you again, hopefully, in
For
the
sure.
coming events as well.
For sure.
And Grind Gear is the official strongman sponsor for the event.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bahubali.
Moving towards the end slowly.
一人じゃないよその美しい世界は